This is Jeff Bezos, a self-made billionaire and owner of the world's largest rainforest. While he appears to be cheerful and a hard-working individual, there's more to Jeff than meets the eye. In fact, Jeff is an evil motherfucker who wants to keep you poor. In this video, I'm gonna unveil a crucial money mistake that most people are making. I'm then gonna reveal a simple habit that can fix this problem immediately. Ignoring this could trap you in a cycle of poverty, playing right into the hands of Jeff and his evil elitists. I'm not joking when I say this is undoubtedly the most important factor when it comes to building long-term generational wealth. So first up, what is the problem? Well, let's say this baguette is your paycheck, and we're gonna cut this baguette into bite-sized pieces, like your budget. First, a little bit of the baguette goes to your debt repayments, and then another piece goes to your gas, your electricity. A bulk of the baguette will actually go to your rent and your mortgages. Another piece will go off to your car payments, or maybe even just your fuel that goes into your car, and then some of it will go to things like Amazon and Jeff Bezos, the greedy little fuckers. As you move down the month, your baguette gets smaller and smaller, and hopefully at the end of it, you have some left that you can invest, and that is why you are poor. You see, you have given everything away that you worked hard for this month. You've paid the Jeffs of the world, your landlord, your bank, anybody but yourself. You've made them all richer without making yourself richer. You've worked all month for this baguette and then gifted it away to complete strangers. And they end up getting richer because they've all got a slice of your baguette, a bigger slice than you do. Another way to put it is, here is Jeff, who represents the man, the billionaires, the rich and powerful in society, and here is you next month. Same as always. This $100 is here. Where would you rather give it to? Jeff or yourself? It's that simple. You are making others richer and yourself poorer. So how can you make sure this $100 goes in your pocket and not Jeff's? Well, the answer is threefold, and it's pretty easy to do. The first is join a focused community or a newsletter like mine that is going to keep you focused on investing, budgeting, and any other financial aspect. This is super important because it will keep you focused. I hold several one-on-one calls every single week, and most people have this problem. They are socializing with people who are not financially aligned. Start spending time with people who meet your own financial goals. Number two is set up a budget and expense tracker. I know, it's boring, but by doing this, it's gonna make sure you are prioritizing your spending correctly, and it will help you keep track of which direction you are heading. Now, the third one is the big one. Avoid the poor person's habit. Paying off your phone bill, your rent, and Jeff first before you invest is an amateur mistake, and this mindset has been indoctrinated into society that we buy stuff constantly. This is how the Western economies work. They need you to buy stuff so they can tax it and make money for the government. All the while, the normal everyday person is getting poorer. Because of this indoctrination, that's why it is so tough to break. To get out of the poor person's mindset, we must adopt the rich person's mindset, which is, once you get your baguette, put it on the table, slice off a piece at the beginning, and put it towards your investments. Get it working for you immediately on payday. There is zero exceptions. This mindset shift guarantees that you're locking away money, making yourself richer each and every month. So where do you want to put the $100 investment or your investment itself? Well, there's 10 super easy money targets that anybody can knock down in a relatively quick period of time. So check out this video here to get yourself richer in the fastest time possible.